How to WhatsApp broadcast. First of all, open WhatsApp on your device and go to the main chat screen. Next, tap on the three-dot menu icon at the top right corner and select the new broadcast option. Now select the contacts you want to add to your broadcast list by tapping on their names. You can add multiple contacts here, but remember that only contacts who have your number saved will receive your broadcast message. After selecting your contacts, tap on the green check mark to create the broadcast list. Once your broadcast list is ready, you can type your message in the chat box just like a regular WhatsApp chat. When you send it, the message will be delivered individually to all the recipients without them seeing each other. You can use broadcast list to share update, promotion, or important messages to many people at once without creating a group. If you want to add or remove contacts from the broadcast list later, just open the broadcast list, tap the three-dot menu, and select Broadcast List Info to manage your accounts. Now you know how to WhatsApp broadcast. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.